In today's video, we're putting the LINKLIFE automatic espresso machine against the Café Bellissimo semi-automatic to see which one truly deserves your counter space. If you want to know the difference in the prices of these espresso machines, make sure to check the link in the description below. Both machines come with grinders and milk frothers, but they take completely different roads. LINKLIFE hands you 7 one-touch recipes including iced coffee, while Café Bellissimo makes you work a bit more with its semi-automatic steam wand and 15-bar Italian pump, yet rewards you with Wi-Fi app control for drink customization that LINKLIFE simply doesn't offer. The LINKLIFE shines with its auto-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe parts, meaning less hassle after your morning latte, whereas the Café Bellissimo counters with a massive 95-ounce water tank that lets you brew all day without refilling, though its 3.6-star rating from 412 reviews hints at some reliability concerns compared to LINKLIFE's perfect 5-star score from only 1 review. So take that with a grain of salt. On grinders, LINKLIFE gives you 4 adjustable steps, which is fine for beginners, but Café Bellissimo's 15-level conical burr grinder offers serious precision for coffee snobs who love dialing in their beans. The milk frothing experience splits them even more. LINKLIFE's auto frother does everything for you with consistent results, while Café Bellissimo's rotating steam wand lets you manually texture microfoam like a barista, giving you control but also a learning curve. Realistically, if you want simplicity, automatic cleaning, and one-touch everything, the LINKLIFE is your set-it-and-forget-it friend. But if you're the type who enjoys tweaking grind sizes, app-based recipes, and don't mind wiping down a steam wand, the Café Bellissimo offers more room to grow. After testing both, I'd lean toward the LINKLIFE for most home users because it just works without fuss, though I have to glaze the Café Bellissimo for its Wi-Fi smarts and Italian engineering. Both are solid, but the link in description has them at unbeatable prices right now, so click before they're gone.